Sour.sassy.sarcastic channel. By Nankabazumba, that's me. So I'm back and I'll be unboxing Sugarbox today. This is the Sugarbox. It's a lifestyle subscription box. It's available on a monthly basis for 1500. That is 14.99, and it's probably not customizable, but you can if there is clothing items, you can select your own size, and that same applies for footwear as well. They give you various like really cool stuff, and they curate it all together. There is also option for previous boxes. That's where this comes from. This is the 3rd anniversary edition, and I went in and looked for the perfect box that, like actually everything that I want fits in, and then I went for it. The monthly editions, you don't get to see what the products are. They will just give you a little sneak peek, and you have to trust that and order it. So I was not really, I'm not that adventurous, so I went for the previous box editions, and this is it. So let's get started. So before unboxing, I have to give the Sugarbox people a lot of credit, because they fit everything into this box. I actually went in and opened it before because there was a clothing piece and I wasn't sure if it would fit me. So I had to go and check if it fits or not. So while at it, I had to unbox it and take it out because it was the last thing in the box, and then I could not put it back together. It was so annoying. Plus there was a Diwali gift offer thingy that I had also applied for. They gave in there were 4 items that were awesomely gift wrapped. I'll insert pictures here because I cannot locate one. There was a set of French lavender scented tea lights. There was this shiny blingy diary. It's like a tiny little diary notebook thingy, but it looks awesome. You can just see the bling. It does not come off either. And then my favorite piece out of that was the dream catcher. There's also a lipstick case, like the ones that our moms used to have, the red flap thing with a mirror. I kind of can't remember where I kept it. I have it with me, but I don't remember when I kept it, so I'll just insert the picture over here. Ta-da! Okay, now getting to the real box, the real deal. This is what it looks like. This itself looks like a birthday present to me, which it actually is. I gifted this to me on my birthday, which is tomorrow. Yay! Also, on opening, it says spoil yourself silly, and it has a Sugarbox logo over here. I hope you can see it. Now when you open it, there is the info card that says, "Hello gorgeous, thank you for shopping with us. Hope you like this package. Made and shipped with love, Team Sugarbox." That's cute. And on opening, there's a lot of stuff going on. So the first thing that I would like to talk about is this purse. I love the color. This really nude pink is one of my favorite lipstick shades, and I would love to have a matching bag with that, because most of my lipstick, like 80% of my lipstick, is of this color, and it totally looks like Rebel Rose from Wet n Wild. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's a sling, and this is how it opens. You can see the flap here. There is the sling thing over here. It's a single compartment with a chain. It's pretty much decent sized. I love the make and the texture of this. It's slightly stinking of those leather tints, but that's fine. The next thing I can see is this little pouch. It probably contains, yes, the earrings. Oh my god, that's nice. This totally matches my birthday outfit. I'm going to watch it. Okay, this is the earrings. This is what it looks like. It's awesome. I was really concerned because everyone got those loopy fringe style earrings, and I do not like them at all. But I'm really happy with what I got. I really love these. Okay, the next thing is a pink pie chocolate, which I'll save right now. Okay, next comes a pretty looking eye mask. Sorry, it's a pretty looking eye mask. They were actually supposed to give gloves that were open finger gloves, but they sort of ran out. They called in to ask whether I wanted an Ellen Blue Kajal or this. I already have 3 Ellen Blue Kajals, so I went with this. I like the crown thing. I probably won't wear it ever, but I still like it. Next comes the Monsub 3-step 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask, which is of brown rice. I like Monsub a lot. It's one of my favorite mask brands. It also it has like two compartments. Here is the mask. Here is some essence serum kind of thingy that you can use later. This is nice. This is really, really nice. I can't wait to use this. Then comes this tiny box, and it has a watch inside it. Okay. It's a pretty decent watch. It's very nice color. I like the rose gold and white combination. It's pretty. It's very pretty. And this is my favorite product from the box. I know it's very kitty. This is a earmuff which has teddies on it, and you see how cute that is. Oh my god, it blocks most of the sound. It is so cute. I love this. I totally, totally love this. The teddy thing is like extremely cute. I am in love with this. Like totally in love with this. Like the last thing is the hoodie. I was a bit upset with it because I thought it would be like a warmer one, but it's not. It's very t-shirt material, but it looks good and it fits more importantly. So this is a cute but psycho. Yeah, that I am probably. Anyway, but who isn't? Who isn't? So this is what it looks like. The sleeves are a bit too long for me, but the make is fine. I wish the material was a bit thicker considering I'm here. It freezes out here in like December. I won't be able to wear it then. I have to wear it right now. So that is it. That is it for this box. And there's also a giveaway coming up on Monday. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon before you leave. That is it for today. All the details regarding Sugarbox and my social media links will be mentioned in the description box. So go check that out. So that's it for today and please stay tuned. There's more to come. Lots of love. Bye.